In this video, I'll show you how to receive money into your Wise account. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to wise.com or open the Wise app. I will also leave a link to the Wise website in the description. Sign in with your registered email and password. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps for added security. Step 2. Navigate to Balances or Account Details. Once logged in, look for the Balances or Account Details tab on your main dashboard. This section gives you access to your different currency accounts within Wise. Step 3. Select the right currency. Choose the currency in which you wish to receive money, such as Euro, USD, British Pounds, or whatever currency you like. Click that balance to view the special local bank details assigned to your Wise account for that currency. Step 4. Copy your bank details. Wise provides you with unique details for each currency, like account number, IBAN, sort code, SWIFT BIC, or routing number. Use the copy button next to each field for accuracy. Double check to avoid typos. Providing incorrect details may result in delays or lost funds. Step 5. Share details securely. Send your copied bank details directly to the person, employer, or business that will pay you. Use a secure channel, such as an encrypted email, secure portal, or reputable app. Remind the sender to use the exact details and indicate your name in the payment reference if needed. Step 6. Await arrival and monitor status. Once the sender initiates the payment, processing times vary based on their bank and region, from minutes to a few days. Keep an eye on your Wise account dashboard. Incoming funds appear in your balance once cleared. If there's a delay, use Wise's payment tracking tools or contact Wise support. Now I have some tips and common questions. You can receive money in multiple currencies with separate account details for each. Double check with the sender that they're using your most current Wise account details. To receive a large amount, Wise may request extra verification for security. If receiving payments from a business or employer, ask if they require any specific reference codes. And that's how you receive money on your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.